Here, just up here tonight, making stuff, thinking about stuff to do, and I was looking through my scraps and I found this blue. It's called denim, and I had this recently acquired this little Victorinox little Swiss Army knife. I guess it's for like manicures or whatever, little tweezers, scissors, whatever to groom your nails, and I wanted to make it a little lanyard just to be able to hook up to my backpack or my keychain or whatever. So I figure I'll make that tonight. Just what I do is I bought a bag of these findings at Walmart, and it comes with little key rings, little hooks, and different size split rings. And this scrap piece that I found is about 5 feet, so it should be more than enough to make what I need. So what I'm going to do is put this little hook directly in the middle. Make sure the ends are even. The ends are even. And you know it's directly in the middle. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is take this carabiner right here, and which I also got at Walmart. I think we were like two for like $1 or something. Not very expensive, but it does the job. Okay. What we do right here. Make sure it's even, straight in the middle. All right. And you don't want it too long, I don't think. I mean, it depends on what you need, but if you're gonna hang it on your backpack, you don't want it to hang too long. So I'd say about 4 inches maybe. I couldn't find my other little measuring tape, so I got this old beat up one that I had stored with my scraps, about 6 inches with the little hook. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a Solomon's bar, or what they call now a cobra weave, to as our pattern of choice tonight. Okay. For those of you that I have a video on how to make a paracord bracelet using this weave, which is called popularly called as a cobra weave. Okay. So we'll just work that. If you have a tutorial on how to make that weave, you can use that bracelet video I made on my channel to kind of get an idea. That way I won't be like repeating myself every video I do. It's usually easier to see what I'm doing when you use two colors, but I really wanted to make it a solid color. You gotta keep working it. So if you look at that, I actually have two videos on how to make them. One is just a regular cobra weave, and I believe the second is one that you kind of reverse the pattern in the middle, and it leaves like a little, makes a little heart shape. And so you guys go ahead and check that out when you have time. I also have a tutorial on how to make a watch band out of paracord, using a steel shackle on the extender set. Okay. So keep working that. See, it's coming out. And I guess here just go by no. what you think is long enough. You don't want the weave to come down too far. It'll make the little string, the little hook part, or the unwoven part look too short. So that's about right. Got about enough weave to catch the eye, and leave enough slack. All right. So all we have to do now is snip here, singe the edges to finish that up. But you see this right here, I don't like this. So I'll take some micro cord and do like a little noose on the end to make it, neat. So you fold it over. Okay. And towards the end. Okay, you just act like you're gonna make a noose. You're going to fold it over. You hold it. You take it. Go around. And every time you go around, make sure it's not going over the string itself. Make sure it falls nice and neat. One strand behind the other. That way it looks clean. How many loops you want to put on there, or we'll call it the strands. It's totally up to you. Okay, once you get to where you think is good enough, you feed it to the bottom of this loop. Careful not to wrap it around. Okay, work it. Try to look as neat as possible. Hold that. You take this and you pull. See? And that cinches it. You pull. Tighten up. Okay, you got that. All I gotta do now is put here. Take your lighter, singe it. You flatten it out, kind of make sure you don't burn any of the fabric, any of the material. All right, so it's knotted right there. Take the other end. Cut it. Singe that. Be careful, like I said, not to any of the material. Okay, all you do now is you take it and it'll slide. Okay, just pull from the bottom as tight as you can. Okay, and that'll keep the little hook right there. See, that makes it look a lot neater. Alright, go ahead and cut here. I got all kinds of crap here, but this. I used to have a Zippo. Used to have the other regular butane lighters, and they worked all right. But I like these butane lighters that kind of like little torches. You're able to concentrate the flame. No better, you can aim the flame better. Works out just fine for me. And I like the fact that the little top is smooth. And it helps you flatten out. Alright, and that's it. It's a little lanyard. Okay. Take my little Swiss Army knife. Snap it in. Ta-da! And ready to snap that in onto our backpack and let it hang. Yeah, I got some pin on it at work. All right, guys. I guess for my next video, I'll make some of these reflective snap bands. You know, wrap them with paracord, and you can wear them when you're running, trick or treating, whatever. And you know, you'll be seen from far away, high visibility at night, or during the day if you use bright colors. All right, man. It's Pandaroni. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.